Most companies think that they're using AI if they use some AI tools or co-pilots. The focus is on solving problems rather than preventing those problems. The real opportunity is in faster understanding rather than faster answers. I've been interacting with the client CEOs, and what I have heard, if something breaks down in terms of whether the revenue goes down or the campaign fails, if they have some customer attrition, they get into action. They request their analytical teams to find the root cause for those debacles in the business. Typically, the team would go ahead and take weeks, 10 days to solve that problem, look at the data, sift through the data, analyze it, and perform a root cause analysis. AI could be really helpful in these use cases. There is a certain RCA thinking or a root cause analysis thinking. AI cannot replace it, but AI can surely compress it and do it much faster. AI tools are very effective in root cause analysis. At Transorg Analytics, we have built a platform called Transorg IQ, where root cause analysis is one of our key use cases in artificial intelligence. What data scientists or analysts are doing in terms of root cause analysis, it can be used with a very nice combination of AI, large language models, with combination of tools and business context. Business knowledge is extremely important. You can't just apply AI if there is no business context and there is no in-depth understanding of the business. To make this AI successful, you have to understand the business workflow and implement a very well thought through agentic AI workflow in these business workflows or business processes. Just to give you a rough idea, there could be, say, a signal agent. Signal agent tries to find out the problems or the signals or anomalies or certain dips in the business. So it finds out the issues with the business. Then there could be a diagnostic agent. So diagnostic agent would try to understand the problem in little more detail, try to cut the data in different pieces, understand where the issue is, go deep into the problem. Third agent could be an hypothesis agent. So you have different realistic root cause analysis based hypothesis. The final recommendation agent, which suggests actions, what needs to be done about those problems. The root causes are in front of us. What is that we can do to get rid of those problems and not repeat it in the future? In a nutshell, RCA is a very, very nice use case for agentic AI, for AI in general. And as I said, business context is going to be extremely important. So what we have realized is that if there is a team of AI experts, data scientists, they can't solve this problem in isolation. So you have to work with the client business teams. You have to get the business folks together along with the AI experts to solve these problems.